and thanks for joining us on this month's episode of Safety Center. I'm Ashley, and I'd like to welcome back my guest host, Kalisha. Hi, Kalisha.
Hi, Ashley. Thanks for having me back again.
We're definitely glad that you're with us today. As we all know, NPRO is committed to the safe and health of every single employee.
Ashley, that is right. In the event you become ill or injured at work, please seek assistance immediately and contact a member of the first aid team.
Yes, it's very important that you do not leave the facility or seek medical treatment without first reporting your injury.
Let's head to the floor and see what happens when injuries are not reported.
Oh! What's going on, Dion?
All right, man. And let me manage this up so I don't get in trouble.
So you ain't gonna tell nobody?
No, I'm not gonna tell anyone.
Dion, you know the policy, man. Do the right thing. Report it.
Ow! My wrist hurt. If I don't want nobody to know, I'm gonna get this checked out. Hey Chris, I gotta go. I got an emergency. Can I leave, please?
Yeah, all right, check.
Thank you.
Oh! Man, you know you need to report all injuries. What if you're not okay to drive? Or worse yet, what if somebody else gets hurt doing what you were doing?
You're absolutely right, Kevin. I'm gonna go inside, fill out my green card, do the right thing.
Thanks for joining us back in the studio.
NPRO recognizes that early identification of an injury allows the company to provide prompt and appropriate medical care. This is why it's important to notify someone on your local first response team immediately.
It also allows the company to investigate the cause and prevent reoccurrence that might lead to further or more serious injuries.
Well, that concludes this month's episode. I want to thank you for joining us.
Please stay tuned for a special discussion clip after the show.
For real?